Hello fellas, and welcome to part 9 of my platformer tutorial series. In this tutorial we are going to do some custom inspector stuff. This hasn't really anything to do with platformer, so if you are just interested in creating custom inspectors, then you can just follow this tutorial. This is going to be pretty simple. So let's jump right into Unity. And so the thing we're going to do for the custom inspector thing is we're going to create 2 buttons for the camera follow script. So we can create 2 buttons so we can assign these 2 values. So we can, for example, position the camera here, and then clicking a button that's, for example, named set minimum camera position, and then move the camera to a different point, and then set the max camera position, so you can see. So it is easier to do that. So yeah, let's just get started. And first off, we need to create a folder called editor. This is so Unity knows what to do with this script, so it knows that it should put the buttons right here. So you have to create the new script in this one, and we are going to call this script we're going to call it camera follow editor. There we go. So let's just open it in monodevelop. Oh, there we go. Yeah. God, why is monodevelop so slow? There we go. Just going to open camera follow up 2. We're going to be using what is it? We're going to use Unity editor, so we can get the things required to create this script. So we're going to say custom editor, and that is going to be a type of camera follow, which is our other script we we made in the last episode, or last few episodes. And so instead of saying mono behavior, it is going to say editor. And then we are going to create a new method. I just remove those and call it public override void on inspector GUI. This is actually just like the on GUI function. So we're going to say draw default inspector, and then we're going to reference to our camera follow script. Alright, camera follow CF. Let's call it CF for camera follow short. Then we're going to say camera follow target, which is our target, and then we're going to say if GUI layout dot button, because we're going to create some new buttons. And the reason why we're saying if is because we're checking if we click the button. And then we're going to set what is on the button, what the button says. We're going to say set min cam position, like that. So, and I need a bracket up here. So what we're going to do in here is setting the minimum camera position variable of our camera follow script. But first we're just going to create one more, and that is called set maximum camera position. So go into a camera follow, and we are going to create a new or two new methods called set min position, cam position, and void set max cam position. And in here we are just going to say minimum camera pose, which is our variable here, and we're going to set that to the position, the current position of the camera. And for the max, we're going to say max camera position is equals to GameObject.transform.position. So this is actually pretty simple. It just sets the minimum camera position to GameObject.transform.position, and so as this. And then we go back into here, and because we reference the camera follow script CF, we can call these functions without needing to run the game. So we're going to say CF dot, and again I forgot something. We're going to make those public, these methods here, so we can access them from other scripts. So CF, which is our reference to the camera follow script, we're going to say set minimum camera position. So we're calling this method right here by pressing the button in our inspector. And then again cf.set max cam position. And I guess that's all. Let's go into Unity and check if we have any errors. Seems like we don't have any. Let's go on our camera, and then look right here. We have two buttons. So if we click set minimum camera pose, the camera pose, this variable here is going to be this, like that. And that's what I use in my own game, so it is quicker for me to set the boundaries. And then we can, for example, move our camera up here, which is our max position for our camera, and then set max cam pose, and that also worked. And so yeah, that is amazing. Yeah, that is how you did that. I hope you enjoyed this part of the tutorial. If you have any questions or have any problems, then please ask in the comment section below. Subscribe and like and share. Thank you for watching, guys. Goodbye, fellas.